welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. So for today, I will try to finish rolling into fall. If I completed this challenge today, I will reallocate it on our 100 envelope challenge, which is our travel fund. For rolling into fall, I will save here $50. If there's an extra, I'll put it on my next challenge. But for now, let's save here 50 and let me stretch it by using prop money. Okay, $20. Is a $20 prop money. I will put it inside here. So all this money here represent the prop money I'm using on this challenge. So this challenge is from Cathy of Quiz Budgets. So I'll flip a card and let's see which dice should we use. So the first one I already shuffled it. So D20. Oh, first one D20. D20. You're not being good to me today. So D20. I think this one, right? So $6. Let's put here 10. And let's see if there's a change. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go like this. Okay, next card. D12. So 11. $11. D12. Where is it? Hold on. D12. Okay. $11. Next card. D4. Let's go to D4. What is in here? Oh, look. Oh, yeah. So D4. What happened to this? D4. Let's roll D4 then. 3. Next card. Add 2 to the next roll. So add 2. D20. Oh no. I think I made a mistake. Okay, so this one, this $6 is not on this. So I need to change it. Sorry. Sorry. So I need to put it here because my first row is D20. Yeah, so this is 6 here. Oh my god, what happened? The first video, the first challenge already messed up. So what more? So let me get. Okay. That's why it's outside. Okay, this one is not. So it means it's not. And another D20, right? Yeah, D20. Let's roll. 5. Add $2, so 7. 7. Next card. D8. $3. Next card. B6. $1. Next card. Add $1 to the next roll. So D10. Oh, I still have IOU here. So let's get one IOU. And then D10. 5 plus 1, so $6. More change. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next card. D10. $6. Another $6. $10. So give me 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next card. D12. Oh no. D12. Oh, this is D20. D12. 1. Okay. Safe. We're safe. $1. Next card. D8. D8. $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, $5. Okay, so that's the money is finished and only 2 cards left in here. So let's see how much I saved on each section and each box. So for D4, I don't know what happened to this 6. I think I mixed up with the money. What happened? Maybe I lost some money here. So it's 3, 5, 10, 20, 23. It should be 23. Let's see. Hopefully I didn't make mistake. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20, 21, 22. Yeah, I lost one, I think. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 22. So I think there's a mistake here. So let's just put one IOU to make it $23. And for this one, I think I roll here 6 and 1, 7. Oh, I roll here 1 only. So total amount of 20, $30, as you can see. For D8, total amount here 20, 40, 42, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh, 50 already. Wow. Only one icon left. Only one icon is empty. So maybe next time. Hopefully I finish it next week. Hopefully so I can transfer it to my 100 envelope challenge. So for D10, 10, 20, 40, 50, $53. For D12, it's 20, 40, 50, 52. And for D20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 62. Wow! 20, 40, 30, 40, 50, 60, 62. Whoa! Wow! 3 icon left. Okay. So I didn't finish it today, so hopefully I can finish it next week. I really want to finish it and know how much I save in here. So I'll just put it aside. So let's start with the collaboration and group play saving challenges. But before that, I have Happy Mail here. This is from Miss Judy of Save with Judy. I don't wanna tell a lie. I already have a pic on this one, but I want to show you. It's really hard to get a physical product or a card nowadays. Not so much people sending a card. And let's see, let's open. So this it said here, I'm a member of her YouTube channel. That's why she's sending it on her membership, on her member on YouTube. Either I think internationally or for the whole member, she will send it. She will send it. Okay, so it said here, Merry Christmas from Judy. Warmest thought and best wishes for a Christmas that's merry and bright. So I received it last December 20. Yes, I received it last December 20. And I don't want to use the challenge without showing it on YouTube so that you know how generous and how kind is Miss Judy is. Okay, so let's check this out. So this is a sticker, mistletoe or Christmas theme sticker in 2026. And this one is a scratch off. Yay! Alright, I will use it for my challenges. So this one, let's save here. So this is a collab and group play binder. And for the collab, I'm joining Miss Gracie of Grammy's Journey. Actually, I'm approached her to if she's going to have a new collab. I want to join them. So I'm the one who approached her because I think and she's really willing to help me and the rest of my and the lovely ladies here. They welcome me in their collaboration, and I'm really happy and I'm really grateful for all of you. So this collaboration, we call it 12 months collab for 2026, Lovely's Road to 1K and Lovely's Road to 2K, merging together. They used to have a 1K subscribe subscribers collab and 2K subscribers collab, so they merged it, and and I am one of the new member for this collaboration. So part of this collaboration is of course the host, Grammy's Journey and more, Miss Gracie, Lily of EMT Dispatchers on a Budget, Odette of Odette Budgeting Life, Sin on a Budget, Jess of Tobin Budgets, It Is Not Too Late Terry, Pam of Gaming Grandma Budgets, Christy of CW Does Life, Patty of Coca Cabana Budgets, Pat of Oma's Low Income Journey, and me. So this is the saving challenge. So this is a board game, and you have to use your desired dice to navigate this to play with the board here. If you land on the icons, so you choose which amount you want to save. So let's start. So I will save here $50 for this binder, this collab and group play binder. So let me just move it here first, and let's use six-sided dice, and let's roll. Oh, I think I need some top money. So let's roll d6. For me, I will use d6 to navigate this. And let's see. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So d6. So let's save here $6. I think I'll do 6 plus. So 1. Go back to start. So I need to go back to start. 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Move 2 spaces. 1, 2. So this icon. So I will save here $1 plus 1. And let me color this again. 6. I'm here. So let me mark here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move 2 spaces. 1, 2. The snowflakes. So I save here $1 as well. So plus $1. A total of $8 now. I think I need a marker here so that, okay. Here, okay. So this one, and I will save here $1 too. Okay. So plus 1. So $9. So 1 D3. I don't have D3, so I will use D4. And so it's 3. So I will save here $3. So more plus $3. So a total of 12 now. Okay. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This icon here. So I will save here $1 as well. So plus 1. So a total of 13. Maybe last roll. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. So a total of, I'll save $1. 2 plus 1. So $14. Let's see if I can last roll. 1, 2, 1, 2. Move 2 spaces. 1, 2 again. So let me save here $2. So plus 2. A total of 16. So let me save here $16. 2, 4, 6. And keep it in this envelope. Yay, it's so fun. All right, so the challenge will be finished if you already mark all of these icons, or it depends on you if you want to continue or not. But for me, let's see. All right, again, that's our Lovely's Road 1 to 1K and Lovely's Road to 2K merging together, 12 months collab for 2026. And you please subscribe to all of these lovely ladies channel. They have also coffee shop or coffee shop. You can go to their coffee shop to have lots of freebies and lots of saving challenges that you will enjoy doing. So next one, this one is from Mel of Mamshi Queen. So I will doing it because I'm planning to go to Disneyland in 2027, and we need lots of funds for that because Hong Kong Disneyland, if it's there's a special holiday, they charge more, around 800 Hong Kong dollar. about 800 up Hong Kong dollar for one person. And we cannot bring food there, and you need to buy a lot of foods and snacks and souvenirs. So we need a long time to save for the fund for the Disneyland. Okay, so I will also going to do this beautiful Disney collaboration, but let me just do Mel's first. Okay, so for this one, there's a card here that represent the sidekick, or it's something connected with the princesses. So I'm not sponsored. Just Mel gave it to me few, I think last year, and I just do it today. So let me just. It's available on her coffee shop. Okay, let me scratch it. So apples are represent who? Snow White, right? So let's scratch this. So to check how much we're going to save here. So $6. So let's get $6. Maybe we can do the same thing. So $6 plus another card. Flounder for Ariel. So let's do here. Wow, $7. Oh, this is big amount. Plus 7. Let's do one more. Miko. It's Pocahontas, right? If I'm wrong, please correct me, because it's been a long time since I watched Disney princesses. I'm watching before with my children, but now they are grown up. They're already adult. So I already watched most of them. I didn't watch Merida. I didn't watch Mulan. I didn't watch Moana, and this I didn't watch also. And Tiana, not so much, but the other one I watch it so much when my girls are still younger. So guide me if I got a mistake. Put the comment on the comment section so that I can replace it or change it. Okay, so let's. Oh, Mel, this is $9. $9 plus 9. So I think I'll stop there and save here $22. Okay. So this is not part of the Disney collab, but I just put the dashboard here. And for Miss Judy of Sunday Playing with Friends, last Sunday she rolled $18, so I cannot save the same amount. So I'll just add it up. So it's $9. I think if we still have money, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. And I will color it off cam. And the next one should be this one, but I cannot do it today. We don't have much money left. Only $3. So I will get it to other saving challenge. I will do it later for this one. Okay. So for this one is my challenge. It's my 600 giveaway, 600 subscribers giveaway, and I call it Let's Drink to That. It's available now on my coffee shop. If you want to grab it, you can just go there, and it's for free. You don't need to pay anything. So I will not do 8 because this is a sample that I made. So what you have to do here is you either roll the dice and select what's the dice land on, or just for yourself. So for me, I will just roll my dice, and then let's let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me just scratch it out. So $4. But wait, you can save $4. But for me, every time I scratch this one, I will flip the card. You see that? Special occasion, add $5. Oh no. So I only have what? How much? $3. So it should be $9. So I owe $6 here. Oh no. So I owe here $6. I thought it's not going to be big. Okay. All right. So that's my IOU. And let's move along to the other collab. I cannot do this Kimmy's one for this week, maybe next time, and this one as well for Tiny Budget Co. This is from Pam of Gaming Grandma Budgets. This her group play. I cannot do that today. And this one is from Grammy's Journey, Miss Gracie, a group play. And this one is from Ellie on Earth. I can't do that today, but I can do the Disney collab. And the chat and the channel that part of this one is, so the host of this collab is Step on a Budget, weekly budgets, and budget with Lysandra. So for January, it's Stephanie of Step on the Budget, Brittany of Budgeting with Ginger, February, Letty of Party Planner Papery, and the partner is Vicky of Pink Plum Budgeting. March is Budget with Lysandra with Yana of SDBA LLC. April is with Laura of Laurable Creation, partner with Brooke of BS Budgets. May is Amanda of Mom Wife Budget Life, partner with Tammy of OCB Budgets. June is Norilis of Norilis Budget, partner with Terry of It Is Not Too Late Terry. July is from Gloria of Save with Glow, partner with Milk Saturn's Bolt. August is Carrie of Budget with Carrie, partner with Brie of Breeze Budget. September is Veronica of Weekly Budgets, partner with Victoria of Toria's Budget. October is Becca of Becca Budget 777, partner with Lacey of Blue Kiwi Budgets. November is Pansy of Pansy Budgets, partner with Myra of Cash and Color Budgets. December is Jenny of the Dramatic Fanda, partner with Renee of Petina Deville Designs. Okay, so for January, it said here, save $1 and color each letter, or save $2 per icon. I already separate money for this challenge. So let's see if how many I can do. So let's do the icons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is $14, right? So let's do $14. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And at the back for the partner, let's roll the dice. How many step I will do? So 14 minus, so one step, so $1. So I will save here for now $15. So each step I will save $1. Okay, so $15. So we don't have a change. So let me grab the prop money I have here, and I'll separate this prop money. So let's save here $15, and let's put it inside here, inside this. And this one, the rest of the money, I will keep it first, and this prop money I will put it in here. Okay, hang on. I'll put it in here. This is a prop money that I'll use on this collab. So I just put it back here. And this one, I'll use it next week. So that's all for today, lovelies. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, or hit the notification bell so you'll get updated on my next video. That's it for now. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. Love ya. God bless.